What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm cooking up lovely breakfast. Steamed cabbage and saltfish, along with some fried plantain and some avocado. Come along with me while I make up this delicious breakfast. Jamaican style, Sister J's way. Here's a rundown of my ingredients for my cabbage and saltfish. This is the cabbage here. I'll be cutting it up. And right here is the saltfish. It's already boiled and I have it soaking in the water to get some of the salt out. Right here I have my garlic, scallion, onion, tomato. Right here is some purple cabbage along with some assorted pepper. And right here is some assorted pepper, bell pepper or sweet pepper. And right here is some thyme. Here's my all-purpose seasoning. I have some basil leaf here and I have some black pepper. So I'm just gonna wash the cabbage right here and then I cut it up. Okay guys, so I'm going to take the bone out the saltfish and clean out this stuff here and break it up in small pieces. Just do like this. It's the bone. Remove the bone. Just do like that. Saltfish is cooked and tender, but you can use a knife if you want to take off this thing, but it's easy to come off. Yep. Just like so. I'm putting the bone to the side. So guys, this is what the saltfish look like after I finish. Take out the bones and break it up in small pieces. I'm using vegetable oil. Okay, so we're just gonna let that warm up. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my onion in and the garlic. Then the tomato. scallion. Sweet pepper or bell pepper. This looks so colorful. I'm going to saute this down for 5 minutes. And then I add the saltfish in. Okay guys, now it's time to put the cabbage in. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put some black pepper in. Basil leaves. Some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to turn the flame down a little because I want the cabbage to generate its own water. Look at this guys. You don't need to put no water in cabbage to steam it, you know, because you put tomato in it. It's going to generate its own water from the cabbage and the tomato. Alright, so now I'm going to put some thyme. Yes, put the thyme in, and a little purple cabbage and some more sweet pepper. I didn't want to cook the purple cabbage too much, so I put it in last. Also, it is very colorful in the cabbage. Yes. There you have it guys. The cabbage and sausage is ready. Now I'm going to fry me some plantain. See that guys? Look at that. No water. Yeah, this cabbage, when you turn the flame down and you have your tomato in it, they will generate its own water. Now it's time to fry the plantains. As I said, these plantains are not too ripe and they're not green. So they're in between. That's how I like them. Okay guys, so the plantain is ready. So I'm gonna put them on the paper towel so it can take some of the oil out.